Bilhin mo tong cube na to if around 500 pesos yung budget mo.
Sure.
Cube stand. Ito yung box. So inside we have another cube stand. This one is like a frosted transparent plastic. Guys, look at the accessories that comes with this cube. Screwdriver, black cups, and an extra white cup. Kasi yung white center cup on the cube has a logo on it, and if you know, kung sasali ka ng 3x3 blindfolded, ay illegal yung ganitong center cup. Kasi yung ibang mga logo ng cube ay minsan engraved or may texture sila. Kaya habang naka-blindfold ka, you can tell kung anong side ng cube depende kung ano yung may texture na center cup. Okay, first turns. Wow. Okay, not bad, not bad. Okay, first impressions, ang crunchy niya. Like, it's not really sandy, parang tactile or crunchy yung cube. I can tell na isa to sa mga Rubik's Cube that would really benefit kapag nilagyan mo ng lube. Okay, let's try the corner cutting. Oh, let's try, okay, medyo strong yung magnets niya. How about half a... Okay, let's try line to line, I guess. Okay, that's easy. How about 45 degrees forward corner cutting? Okay, reverse, little. That's easy. Okay, less than that and it just aligns. Less than line to line, it can do. But kapag line to line na, nagla-lock up na siya. But honestly, never ko naman gagamitin yung that amount of corner cutting kapag nagsasolve ako sa cubes. For the features, center travel adjustment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so naka-default setting lang yung cube. Hindi ko alam kung UV coated tong cube na to, pero it's really shiny. Maybe it's just really glossy. Exposed na rin yung magnets niya. Okay, kailangan natin bigyan ng konting context kung bakit hindi ko to ma-recommend dati at yung RS3M V5 pa rin yung nire-recommend ko. I will still recommend this but more on that later. A few months ago, nagkaroon ng collaboration yung cube brand ng Mortry, which is yung brand ng cube na to, sa isang another cube brand which is Z-Cube. Ang ganda ng cube na yun. Mga features na makikita mo lang sa around 1,500 pesos or higher na Rubik's Cube. Pero meron siyang isang flaw na huhulugan siya ng core magnet, which is why hindi ko ma-recommend yung cube kasi wala akong confidence na hindi masisira yung cube 2 weeks, 3 weeks from kung kailan nyo man siya binili. Now, with this cube, na-resolve nila yung issue na yon by putting the core magnets actually inside the core. Okay? So, nakikita nyo yung ball core. Merong konting shadow ng magnet doon. Yung sa Z-Cube kasi, exposed yung core magnets. But this one, ayan, nasa loob siya ng core. Kaya marirecommend ko na tong cube. Ito yung pieces niya. Makikita natin may gap between the edge and the corner stem.